Manufacturers in Cleveland are under constant pressure to boost efficiency, reduce downtime, and stay compliant. But managing IT effectively is a major challenge. Cyber attacks on manufacturers have surged over 300%, now making up 22% of all attacks across industries. Without a strong IT strategy, production slows, security threats rise, and compliance becomes harder to maintain. Mike Bratton II, IT success strategist at Systems X, says, manufacturers who integrate strategic IT solutions into their operations gain a significant competitive edge. The key is finding the right technology partner who understands business and security. A reliable IT strategy does more than just keep systems running. It protects against cyber threats, ensures compliance with industry standards like CMMC and NIST 800-171, and integrates IT with operational technology to streamline production. 24/7 monitoring and predictive maintenance help prevent system failures before they happen, reducing costly downtime. Cloud adoption is also transforming the industry, giving manufacturers real-time access to production data, improving supply chain visibility, and cutting IT infrastructure costs. And when it comes to ERP systems, having the right IT support ensures seamless operations, eliminating bottlenecks and preventing system failures. A strong IT foundation isn't just a support function, it's a competitive advantage. Manufacturers that invest in managed IT services can scale their operations, protect sensitive data, and stay ahead of evolving threats. You can read the full article now on our website. Don't forget to add this to your playlist to stay updated on the latest manufacturing IT solutions.